Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and access to a trusted phone number or recovery email. This is required for verification. Once done, power on your Apple TV and go to Settings Accounts to begin. Make sure you have your remote or the iPhone remote app connected so you can navigate quickly. If you can't open Settings, use the physical reset sequence on your model. Do this only when you know your Apple ID details are available for the next step. Now, choose Change Password under Accounts if you remember some credentials, or select Account Recovery if you're locked out. You'll receive a verification code on a trusted device or phone. Enter it promptly to prove it's you. If you don't get a code, start Apple's Account Recovery. This takes time, so note the estimated wait. Make sure to follow each on-screen prompt, create a strong new password when prompted, and update it in Settings to reauthorize purchases and iCloud. Once you've set a new password, sign back into your Apple ID on the Apple TV so iCloud, purchases, and subscriptions resume. Make sure to update the App Store and Home settings if the system prompts you. This reestablishes permissions. If sign-in fails, restart the Apple TV and try again. Sometimes cached tokens cause issues. If you still can't sign in, use the Account Recovery status page on another device to check progress. And be ready with proof of identity if Apple support requests verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.